What's up, guys? It's Brandon here, and today we've got the newest addition to the toy collection. We have the Traxxas Brushless 4x4 VXL. So I've been running this thing for about a week now. I just got done doing some pretty sweet jumping. Definitely put it to the test, and this thing is solid. I mean, it's got some wear on it, and I'll show you guys what kind of things I saw, but this thing is awesome. Like, as far as like the structure to it, it's super intact. I mean, I've been jumping it in the cold. It was probably 30 degrees, 34 degrees some days. I was running it, no problem. Ran into trash cans, came straight down on its nose a couple times, straight on the tail a couple times. You can see how the flex in the bumpers is designed just to kind of absorb the shock and take the hit. So yeah, this thing is super rigid, man. Really loving it. It's so easy to get the battery in and out. You got this little click connector. You loosen that up, drop in your. So I've only been running 2S. You can run 3S, but this thing's got tons of power for 2S. Maybe one day I'll upgrade, but for the price point, this thing was where I was at for money. One thing you got to remember, Traxxas has their own special connector, so you got to make sure your charger will do that. But I bought this Venom battery, and this Venom battery actually comes with all the adapters to charge everything, so it basically adapts this XT60 to the Venom charging, and that works good for charging too. That's mainly what I'm concerned about. But this, yeah, it comes with a ton of these different connectors, so you'll have what you need to get the job done. So I just kind of leave that attached to here because I don't want to hold the phone, but that's pretty much it. And it comes with this clipless design, which this is my first RC car. Like, that's a hobby grade RC car. It's pretty cool how that works. That just kind of clicks in there. Actually, I think it's upside down. Somehow it got flipped around. There we go. So it just kind of clicks in there, wedges the battery down. One thing, if you're running this one, when you get the LiPo, it'll tell you on the directions, and it's marked. You can see down there's little instructions, but you basically want to press this little button right here for 3 seconds, and then that will turn on green, and that'll be your LiPo protection, low voltage, so you don't ruin your really expensive LiPo you just bought. But this thing, basically, this part clicks into that little hook. See where that blue mark is? And then this back portion is another hook. Hooks on there, and it's what they call their clipless design. Works great. And also you're gonna get the Traxxas radio, which is new to me because I've never used these kind of radios, but I'm liking it. It's not a long range thing or anything like that, so you can't really drive these long range. So, but it works great. Nice handling, easy to set up. You got on the left, you got your steering trim, which I've messed with, and then you got your multi-function, which I assumed was traction control, so I turned that down just so I can get a little bit more spins and flips off the ramps. You guys will see here in my next little clips what this thing can do. So check it out.
Traxxas trials over the big shorts. Oh, I'll do better. It's scary, isn't it?
Well, and then you were going off the side.
Oh, I can do better than that. We're gonna front flip over him. I gotta get that line right. Long turn. Oh, dude, I did like a axle twist over you. That was sick. I got hit once, good.
Oh, dude! You had it till you fucking...
I know, I meant to flip sooner.
You should have just let it go, you would have had it. Hold up.
Nah, we're good.
It's like if it comes off the lip, I think the lip's a little crooked. There we go. We got it. All right, here we go. Front flip. Perfect front flip. Or not. That didn't come off the lip right. It's got to go straight off it. Barbecue grill. Then go. It's like, don't.
Nice.
Ah,
That was good. That was
nice high one, yeah.